Wah. Bruce. Kulit oh.
Saka ang gumawa doon, ang panalo nila ngayon si Hill at saka si Butler.
Oo, nakita ko yun. Si ang yung panguli, inano ni pa.
Misbrook.
Si David Green, yung uli-uli.
Oo.
Di bantay niya si Tengun eh.
Oo.
Hindi nakaganon siya.
Nagpahaw na yun.
Nagunan si Tengun. Puta, paano susot? Hindi
Nagpahaw
tumama.
na yung Butler.
Si Butler na
Nagpahaw,
nag-rebound.
di ba?
Nakabanga si Adams dun eh. Pinam ni Brooks. Dylan Brooks.
Talaga tumalo ng Butler, ano?
Grabe yan.
Tabayan yun, no?
Tapos free throw, no?
Oh,
Apat yung kalaban niya sa rebound. Si Brooks, si Adams, si Sengun. Hindi isa, di ko kilala na mukha niya.
Binalaan na si Udoka eh. Kaya namin, kala ko, suspended yung Thompson na yan, saka Dylan Brooks.
Hindi pa. Bakit na yun? Anong baka? Bakit?
Dahil pansin, ako sa kana yan.
Hindi ko alam eh.
Hanggang ngayon, nandun yung sticker niya.
Ano susunod, pagbalik natin, pag nagka-pera, bigyan natin ng Pag nakuha yung pera, bigyan natin ng
4 kantos isa.
Gin ba hinihingi niya? Bigyan natin ng
Ano man lang yan. Kulang nga 200 na ata.
Bigyan natin 5. Para Ayan, puta.
Baka magwala yan eh.
Tipirin mo,
Sabi
bus.
sa akin, tay, tingnan mo yung mga puto mo. Kung taga yung pasigil na yung mga... Ano yan?
Ako, bibigyan ko siya.
shaker yan.
5. Wait lang, kamo pa. Bibigyan ko siya 5.
Lagi yan. Pag
4 kantos.
araw. Mama, ito, tabi mo nga itong mo, pitaka mo. Makakakusa sa may lagay.
Bibigyan natin siya. Bakbaka na to.
Sinabi na kari kailangan, hindi na ito pabutin.
Tatapusin na yan. Tangin, hindi pwede yan.
Yan, Hill talaga. Bilib ako sa Hill. Ang bilis.
No? Tatapusin na yan.
This is going to be a game about the others. Yes, the stars are going to have to be stars, but it's definitely going to be
Grabe tao na ito, no? Si Grace.
and how they can set the table.
Ano kung wala sa ilan to? Kaya lang na.
Okay lang yan.
May kanin ba ito? Pakainin mo nga ito ng tusino. Kunti-kunti lang, kung dadamihan. Yung James kay ito para yan kay Martanen, hindi kumayas si ano.
Si Martanen?
Oo, hindi kumayas si Tesker.
Magaling si
Ano, pito na.
Tamo? Wala na, puta. 3-1 na eh. Dire-diretso na yan.
Si Hill talaga, putang nga, mapalasik talaga ang katawa na yan.
Bati kwenta. Kailangan lang. Ayan na! Putang ina. Kailangan pinangat yan. Taas mo ito. Wala. Easy.
Magpahal mo na, Green.
And talking to Ime Udoka
Ano magpahal?
in the first and
Udoka pa.
Ime was talking about how they have to get
Mapigay yung laban nyo.
getting downhill, and that requires the
Tama,
post there to
nabibigyan
get
pa.
off the floor.
Isa na lang yan, no?
Masilat pa kayo dyan.
4-1 yan. Makakalaban ng Timberwolves yan. Putang ina. Challenge Green. Batay mo yan. Thompson, Sengun. Batay! Uy, tapos na may tulak. Okay lang yan.
Ay, magpapahol.
Encouraging
Ako makat na, pabayaan nyo na yan.
first basket going in right here. Doing exactly what you wanted. Got the foul on that one. Draymond had to get the take foul, so 2 of Golden State superstars already had 1. I mean, going to the basket is what we have seen time and time again from this explosive young star.
Can Houston perform better? Also trying to get us at the free throw line. 35 missed free throws really has been maybe the major headline Stars have lighted down in this 3-1 series deficit at this point against Brandon Kujansky.
Pangtangin na, patay na. Kujansky, umaling to, puro tres na nung ano eh, nung nakaraan eh, nung bago ba yun?
Golden State took some time to figure out this
Laban na.
series as Kujansky knocked down a three from beyond the arc.
Playoff career high 26 points. So many gigantic leads down the stretch.
Awa lang yun.
And that was
Now they're cutting to Draymond.
that was smart of Sengun to go at Draymond. Draymond already has one early foul.
Patay na.
Kujansky being
Yun! Putang na.
Draymond Green.
Nakatatlong 3 points yan, nung Martes.
As Green joined the party from beyond the arc.
May namakaan si Luka, binalaan ni Adams. Baka matanggal ka.
Ay, wala.
For the other night is Dylan Brooks.
Yan pala si Idol Butler.
Partially blocked.
Yan.
And the defensive intensity here to start at both ends of the floor.
And you alluded to the importance of the
Parang foul.
for this Rockets team. I mean,
Apat na mga pangyarihan yan eh. Ay, lima.
Reinvent yourself.
Si Butler, si Green, si Gary, si Kujansky, saka si ano,
Only shooting 73%.
si Buddy Hill.
30th in the league.
Lima yan eh.
Free throw line. So,
Grabe sa kawarrior dyan.
how important it is to capitalize.
Ano yun, nasa,
Kaya, pinagbabalaan na yan.
Personal
Itong
charge
Ron.
to Jimmy Butler.
nasa Texas sila yan.
Only
Houston,
top of
Texas
the
yun.
league this year in free throw
Mga
percentage.
Mexicano eh.
One of the worst
Parang
seasons.
Eh, nagbabalaan na yan. Kaya hindi na sila masyado physical eh.
Pareho sila ng Detroit Pistons eh, mga walang
Yeah,
yan.
no, the Bucks that year won the championship, so you can win while not capitalizing on the free throw line.
You always like to dig a little deeper with this.
Ah.
Stephen Curry and brother chased around by Thompson.
Sakto, patay na kayo dyan.
Really good at being in
Hill to.
Ayun,
Yan, pasok.
First look.
Okay lang, okay lang.
Snag rebound by Green.
Bina-warm up lang yung ring.
Golden State, two of their first four from the three-point line.
Oy!
Foul yun. Foul.
Wala yan.
And you can just see with each trip up and down the floor, Jalen Green's confidence is growing. You get to the basket, get to the free throw line, see the ball go in, and then the three is just so easy it's flowing.
Patay na.
Wala. That's well short.
Good.
Golden State now 47 from the field.
Man.
Respectable possession. They go to Brooks on the line. Trying to take advantage of Curry. Now to Sengun. We get a whistle. And a defensive 3-second violation against Golden State.
Talk about right here, Sengun. You need your big, get your guard open. Talk about a screen, a playoff screen right there for Sengun to free up Jalen Green for a 19-3.
So Van Vliet, who was terrific in game 4, 25 points, missed that potential massive three in the closing seconds at the free throw line. There's Steve Kerr, highest playoff win percentage of all time, 71%. Has Larry Brown's 6th most playoff wins ever. Legendary coaching career.
And that's just as a coach. We haven't even
Here's for good time for
playing.
Alpine Sengun. 5-point Houston lead. They scored 8 unanswered. Steph Curry pounded a treffer in the front court for Kujansky. Sengun played off. And Golden State call here at the start.
Ano na?
Van